In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. If you're looking to add functional and aesthetic elements to your Wix site, this guide will walk you through the process seamlessly. So let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and head on over to wix.com. This is where you'll begin transforming your site. Once you're there, sign into your account. This landing page will serve as your control center where you can manage different site settings, monitor activity, and more. Now, when you're ready to dive into editing, locate and click on the Add Elements option. It's a crucial feature that allows you to customize the visual and functional aspects of your website. This might include adding text boxes, media, or interactive widgets. By adding elements, you have the opportunity to make your site uniquely yours, reflecting both your brand and style. Next, you'll want to focus on integrating advanced functionalities, which can be achieved by clicking on Embed Code. This feature is particularly powerful as it lets you incorporate external features or existing codes from another source directly into your Wix site. Consider it as a way to bring in additional capabilities that aren't initially offered on the basic Wix platform. Following this, take action by selecting the Add Widgets and Apps using HTML code. This is a fantastic tool to further personalize the way your site operates and looks, enabling a seamless integration of third-party applications and tools. Then, navigate to the website address section. This area is designated for inputting the addresses of various tools or products you wish to incorporate. It's an essential step that allows your site to fetch and display external resources effectively. In this instance, you'll want to type in Amazon product. By doing this, you're effectively embedding directly related products, potentially enhancing the shopping experience for your users by linking directly to relevant Amazon pages. This could be particularly useful if you're managing an e-commerce site or a blog that often discusses products. Once you're satisfied with the information and elements you've added, it's crucial to click Apply. Doing so ensures that all changes are saved and immediately visible on your website. This step reassures you that the changes you just made are accurately reflected and function as intended. Finally, a quick click on the X button will exit you out of the settings. Remember to save every change you make. This will permanently record all your creative efforts, ensuring that none of your hard work goes missing. Saving frequently is a good habit to ensure all updates are preserved. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to utilizing manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to effectively enhance your site. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has made your website development a little bit easier today.